Welcome to our video on home entrance door decor. The entrance door to your home is the first thing that visitors see. So it's important to make it look welcoming and inviting. In this video, we will explore some creative ways to decorate your entrance door and make it stand out. Let's get started. One of the easiest way to decorate your entrance doors by adding a wreath. Wreaths come in a variety of styles from traditional to modern, and they can be made from a range of materials such as greenery, flowers, or even feather. Choose a wreath that complements the style of your home and add a ribbon or bow for an extra touch of elegance. Another great way to decorate your entrance door is by hanging a seasonal sign. Signs can be made from wood, metal, or even chalkboard material, and they can feature a variety of seasonal messages or quotes. Switch out the sign each season to keep your entrance door decor fresh and festive. Window boxes are a beautiful addition to any entrance door. They can be filled with a variety of plants from flowers to herbs, and they can add color and texture to the space. Choose plants that complement the style of your home, and don't forget to water them regularly. If you want to make a statement with your entrance door, considering installing decorative hardware, handles, knockers, and even house numbers can be made from a variety of materials such as brass, iron, even crystal. Choose hardware that complements the style of your home and adds a touch of elegance. Finally, one of the most effective ways to change the look of your entrance door is by painting it. A fresh coat of the paint can completely transform the look of your home and add some personality to the space. So, there you have it, some creative ideas for decorating your entrance door. Whether you want to add some colors with a wreath, make a statement with decorative hardware, or simply update the look with a fresh coat of paint. Uh, these tips are sure to help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know in the comments which ideas you like the most. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for home decor.